So here the B part is 9,40,815 from 9,99,999. So here again from is coming in between. So we have to subtract 9,40,815 from 9,99,999. So here second number will come in the first and the first number will come in the second. So here we will subtract 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0. So here 59,184 is the answer. So in the fourth question, the statement is subtract the sum of 46,450 and 82,425 from 1,50,000. So now here the solution will be, we have the statement in which subtract the sum of. Firstly, we will find the sum of these two numbers and what will be the answer of addition of these two numbers. Then we will subtract that answer from 1,50,000. सबसे पहले हम इन दो नंबर्स का सम करेंगे. इन दोनों का सम करके जो भी आंसर हमारे पास आएगा उसको हम इस 1,50,000 में से माइनस करेंगे. So firstly we will add 46,450 and 82,425. So 46,450 plus 82,425 is here. So the answer is 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 4 plus 8 is 12. So the answer is 1,28,875. Now this is the answer of addition of these two numbers. Now then we will subtract this answer from 1,50,000. So because here again from is coming between these two numbers, so here 1,50,000 is greater than this number, so we will write 1,50,000 first and 1,28,875 we will write here. Now we are subtracting here. So because 0 is there and we can never subtract 5 from 0, so we will borrow 1 from 5. So here will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Because we are borrowing 1 from this number to this, so here 9 is remaining. Here is also 9 remaining. In the same way, if how many 0 are coming, here the 9 will be remaining. 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1 because we have borrow 1 from 5 here, then the 4 is remaining here. क्योंकि हमने इस 5 से एक बोरो लेके इन नंबर्स को दिया है तो इसके पास 4 रह गए. 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here the number is 21,125. So students, this is the very easy concept and you have already studied this chapter, these concepts, addition and subtraction in the last class also. So I hope these concepts are clear to you all. If any problem comes, then you can contact with the teacher. Thank you.